The minute I saw the car, I knew we were taking it home. But they wanted to continue to sell me on the idea by showing me all the little Easter eggs and all the things that the owner had saved over the years.
That's everything that came with it right there in the trunk, which is
Yeah, this has never left the trunk.
The trunk cap, the trunk of this thing is like a museum.
Here's all of his notes.
So this is interesting. Let's look at this. 1987. 1995, 1992.
Like I said, it's all part of the car history. You're more than welcome to have it.
Yes, yes. This has still got the temporary registration permit in the window from July 8th, 1979. I don't know that I've ever seen that. That means, well, that did he ever put a plate on it?
No, he never had a plate.
There was never a license plate on this vehicle. And it was time to hear it run, so I made Cheryl jump in and fire the car up.
There you go.
Wanted to see this thing ran.
Was it? This supposed to sound like a Mustang? That's what it sounded like when you started it?
I walk over, pop the hood, and there she sat.
All 140 horsepower of pure American muscle. You know what I was thinking about? I think the starters on our Coyote engines have more horsepower than what that engine probably does.
This is the exciting moment. We put it on the trailer and we get out of here. Aww, purrs like a kitten. Apparently it's been a minute since I loaded a trailer. I'm tired. Let's get this thing back to Bloomington so I can show the whole team because they're gonna be as psyched as I am. Especially Maxlider Kris.